Hey guys, Kwackajack here, just with a quick video. So, today I'm going to be showing you just how loud my Leo Vince LV10 Slip-on exhaust is on my Ninja 400. A lot of people have been asking just how loud it is in decibels, so I've got a reader on my phone. I'm going to set it up and show you now. Alrighty guys, there you have it. So it averaged at around 92.2 decibels and got up to a max of 110. So it is a very, very loud slip-on exhaust. It will make you stand out on the road, but I do like that. It means that, you know, nobody's gonna be missing you. The Leo Vince LV10 slip-on exhaust for the Ninja 400.